The birds are singing, the sun is shining, people are mowing their lawns. It's a good day to do math. Hey, welcome back guys, and today I'm going to talk about probably, to be honest, a useless feature, but I thought it was kind of cool when I made it, so why not? If you want to, you can right-click anywhere in the graphing range here, and if you just drag the mouse, you're going to notice that it draws. What's going on here is that you can actually just end up drawing functions. Really simple. So you'll notice that this didn't quite match exactly with where I drew, and that's because the type of drawing that I have right now is simple linear. So what it does is it just uses the first point where you start the mouse click, and then as it goes, it really doesn't matter where you go, but the ending point is the last point that it's going to pay attention to. And then it tries to round it to the nearest integer there. So of course, if we're in fraction mode, then we're going to be able to get our function expressed with fractions. So that's the one type of drawing. But there's also just a regular linear drawing mode where it actually tries to fit a function to where you're actually drawing your mouse. So this is going to be a lot more exact, but then the numbers are going to be a little bit messier. So as you can see, it's getting a very good fit, but we're having all these crazy decimal points. So that was the linear. I also have the simple quadratic, where it tries to fit a nice, neat quadratic function to your line. So you've got some nice numbers there. Then, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. We've got a regular quadratic that actually tries its best to fit where you've drawn. Then we've got a simple cubic, and finally, oh, that one didn't work. You need a lot of data points in order to draw a cubic function. You need at least 3, and since it's getting kind of a first, middle, and last, if it rounds to the wrong place, it's not going to be a very this is hard to explain, but anyway, so there's a simple cubic, and then finally the cubic function, which is probably a lot easier to use, just because every time you move the mouse, you're actually creating data points. So there it is.